In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Shopify partner. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone interested in building an online business or just looking to explore the potential of e-commerce. First things first, let's talk about what it means to be a Shopify partner. As a partner, you get to work directly with the Shopify platform, create new stores, customize existing ones, or even build apps to integrate into the Shopify ecosystem. It's a versatile program suitable for developers, marketers, designers, and entrepreneurs alike. To start, head over to the Shopify Partners website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Simply click on the Join Now button, which will prompt you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Ensure that the information is accurate as this will be your access point to all partner resources. Once you've filled that in, click the Submit button to create your account. If you already have an account, just log in using your existing credentials. After entering your partner dashboard, it's crucial to take a few minutes to explore and familiarize yourself with the various sections. You'll notice areas dedicated to managing stores, accessing resources, and Shopify API integration for those looking to delve into more technical territories. A keen understanding of this layout will serve you well in taking full advantage of the opportunities presented. Now that you're a member, you'll want to set up your profile. This is important because it reflects your skills and expertise to potential clients or collaborators. Access your account settings, then navigate to the Profile section, where you can add information about your background and area of expertise. If you have a personal or company website, you can link to it here, too. A polished profile not only bolsters credibility but can also help attract potential leads and projects. With this foundation laid out, it's time to start exploring the resources available to you. The Shopify Partner Program offers extensive educational materials, including webinars, courses, and community forums. These resources are invaluable for developing skills and staying updated with any new trends or features introduced by Shopify. As you learn and grow, you'll be more equipped to offer your services to a larger client base. Finally, if you're ready to start working on shops, you can create your development store from the dashboard. Development stores allow you to build and test Shopify sites that you can later hand over to clients. It's a great way to hone your craft without any cost implications. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of becoming a Shopify partner. Remember, the key to success in this program is continual learning and engagement. You're joining a vibrant community of experts, so make sure to participate and harness all the tools and insights available at your fingertips. Happy Shopify partnering!